In this pro tip video, I'm going to show you a search feature in point of sale called the extended search. Now, typically when you type in a part number, it looks for a complete match. In this case, it finds it. Sometimes you don't know the entire number. It might be a longer number and you're not sure what you're looking for exactly. You can always use the search feature down here. If you have something typed in, a part number, and you click the search button or use the F5 key, either one will do the trick, it will bring up the search window and it will find anything that matches that number. We call this a partial number search, but it not only searches in the part number, it also searches in the description as well. So it will find anything that matches in those two fields. There's a new feature in Pro 2054 that automatically brings up the search window if you type something in and hit enter. Instead of displaying part not found like this, you can it'll jump straight to the search screen. You have to go into preferences to enable that. So in preferences, under point of sale options, down at the bottom left, check the use extended part search in point of sale, save changes, go back to point of sale, and now if I type in a partial number and press enter, the search screen automatically comes up. Then I can select the part that I'm looking for there and bring it back into point of sale.